Car cup holders provide convenient, safe storage for drinks, preventing spills while driving. Today's video is about top 5 best car cup holder coasters that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Singaro Car Cup Holder. These car cup holder coasters are a practical and high-quality accessory for any vehicle. Made from eco-friendly silicone, they are non-toxic, odorless, durable, and resistant to high temperatures, easily handling hot beverages up to 100 degrees Celsius. Their soft yet tough construction ensures a long service life while fitting snugly into most car cup holders. With a diameter of 3.15 inches and height of 1.18 inches, they are compatible with SUVs, sedans, MPVs, and more. The raised ring edge and carry handle design prevents spills, crumbs, and scratches, keeping your cup holder clean and quiet even on bumpy roads. Installation is simple, just embed the coaster into your cup holder, and removal is equally easy with the built-in bump for pinching. Cleaning is hassle-free, requiring only water or a damp cloth. Overall, these coasters combine durability, protection, and convenience, enhancing your driving experience while keeping your car interior clean and organized. Now our second product is Zeyitian Cup Holder. The upgraded Car Cup Holder Expander is a must-have for drivers who need a reliable and versatile drink holder. Made from thickened PC material, it's sturdy, durable, and built to withstand everyday use, while reinforced expandable arms enhance stability and impact resistance. Installation is quick and simple. Twist the base to expand, insert it into your car's cup holder, and adjust with the triangle toggle button for a secure fit. Its adjustable blade accommodates a wide range of cup sizes, from 12 ounces to 64 ounces, including popular brands like Yeti, Hydro Flask, Nalgene, Camelback, Owala, and Contigo. The stable expansion legs keep your drinks secure during travel, preventing spills even on bumpy roads. Its compatibility extends beyond cars to trucks, motorcycles, boats, trailers, and golf carts. With cylindrical cup holders backed by a 1-year warranty and responsive customer support, this cup holder expander combines durability, versatility, and convenience, making it an essential accessory for anyone who enjoys beverages on the go. Our third product is Mandark Cup Holder. These car cup coasters are a practical and reliable accessory for any vehicle. Designed to keep drinks stable during both short trips and long drives, they prevent spills caused by bumps or sharp turns, ensuring a safer and cleaner ride. Made from high-quality PVC, the coasters are durable, waterproof, and non-slip, offering excellent protection for your car's cup holders and interior. They help prevent liquids from staining seats and carpets, keeping your car tidy and prolonging the life of your interior. The anti-slip design ensures that cups, bottles, and mugs stay securely in place, even on rough roads. Cleaning is effortless. Simply wash the coasters to restore their original appearance. No scrubbing required. Overall, these coasters combine durability, practicality, and ease of maintenance, making them an essential accessory for anyone who wants to protect their car interior while enjoying beverages on the go. They are a simple yet highly effective way to enhance your driving experience. Now number 4, 7 Sparta Cup Holder. The 7 Sparta Cup Holder Expander is a highly practical upgrade for drivers who need extra space and stability for their drinks. Its offsetting base design allows 2 cup holders to be used side by side, making it compatible with gear shifters, center console lids, and dashboards without blocking buttons. This expander accommodates wide bottles and mugs with diameters between 3.5 and 4 inches, fitting popular 32 oz to 40 oz tumblers comfortably. The expandable base also adapts to most standard car cup holders, 2.5 to 3.75 inches in diameter. Making it versatile for cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, RVs, and golf carts. Constructed from thick, solid plastic with rubber tabs, the holder keeps cups secure, preventing tipping or spills even on bumpy roads. The deep base provides excellent balance, and the large slot allows for easy removal of bottles and mugs. Overall, the 7 Sparta Cup Holder Expander is durable, functional, and convenient, offering a secure and versatile solution for drivers who carry large drinks or multiple containers on the go. And our last choice is Delta Loom Car Cup Holder. The universal skinny can cup holder insert is a simple yet highly effective solution for drivers who frequently use 8.4 ounces or 12-ounce slim cans. Designed to fit most standard vehicle cup holders in cars, trucks, SUVs, boats, and RVs, it keeps energy drinks and soda cans secure, preventing tipping and spills during commutes or road trips. Its flexible support legs create a snug, pressure-based grip that reduces rattling and movement, keeping cans upright even on uneven roads or during sharp turns. Made from heat-resistant, high-quality plastic, it withstands hot interiors without warping or softening, ensuring long-lasting durability. Installation is effortless, no tools, adhesives, or modifications are required. Its compact, lightweight design makes it portable and convenient for shared vehicles, rentals, or travel. Additionally, the insert works with adjustable cup holders, maintaining a secure fit across different vehicles. Overall, this cup holder insert enhances safety, reduces distractions, and keeps drinks stable, making it a practical upgrade for everyday driving. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.